know what I mean?
You know when it's all done, and be like, hey, are we filming? Hey.
Yep. Straight up. Now I've got that one episode with Phil, and I just did like the free thing. I was like, what do you love about Mostoniest? And he starts stealing my stuff, telling me how much he loves Mostoniest. I was like, yeah. No, this will be good. I need an episode like this, man, really badly. And I almost did the first day of the dispensary in fucking Santa Barbara, but it just didn't happen. Look at all these. Film these, bro.
That's too late. There you go.
There's like 50 of them, bro. These next ones after this truck. This is like the mecca of taco trucks right here. It's the best one. It's the best one.
Favorite spot. Don't screw it up, okay?
It's my favorite spot, guys.
Make your favorites. I'll put you on YouTube.
Hey guys, I'm in Castaic, California, right next to the Country Bar, Country Girl Saloon. And we're having us some burritos, and believe me, these burritos are going to be dank. They're coming from Taco. Oh, I think that's us right here, actually. That's a burrito. Let's go get them. Maybe not. Maybe not. Check this out. Real fast service, guys. That's, I mean, look at that. That's just perfect. Here, we're going to take these. What do you think of the burrito, Jason?
Burrito's more than I can handle.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. Let's get a look.
It's perfect. Enjoy life. Live in Southern California, baby.
Say how cool this taco truck is. No, the first doesn't work. I'm scared, Jason. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
That's what the doctor ordered. Drink some more Dr. Pepper, of course.
Oh, okay.
You know, what else would you do?
But what are we gonna do with the trash?
Our amigos over here found out the solution. Pepe and Pepe Le Pew. Let's go.
Just tell me when.
Is he ready?
All
He's
right.
right here.
Hey everybody, I'm Kerry Mulder, and this is Jason Chapman, and we are going to be making out with homeless people today.
Yeah. Woo.
Is this it? No, that's
Oh, there's one of them right there.
That's West
There he
Coast
is. There he
Holistic
is.
Center. Oh wow, that's good. Yeah.
Keep
Is that
walking.
recreation? It's okay. All right. Well, here we are, right by Sepulveda Avenue in Los Angeles. We're walking up on the side of Canistewers Club. It's right next to a trailer hitch and tow bar welding place. That's cool. Otherwise, it's a pretty cool vibe down here. It's kind of hoodie, but at the same time, not really hoodie, you know what I mean? This is the outside of the club.